Hello everyone, welcome back to Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can order a Wise physical card. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply head over to your Wise application or Wise website. Now from here, you then want to head over to the cards category. Once again, you can do this from the mobile applications, or in my case, it's going to be from a web browser. From here, you can just click on the order a new card, get another card for this account. And on this menu right here, you simply want to click on physical. Spend and withdraw money around the world in your wallet and on your site. You will be able to see the fee right here for the delivery fee for your physical card. So just tap on the physical option. And from there, you then want to click on order your standard card. Basically, right after that, you then have to fill out your delivery address, and then you need to have a balance on your Wise account so that they will deduct it on the delivery fee. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.